I am super excited for today's unboxing video. This is my first ever subscription box. On top of that is a Kawaii box. And one thing I will never get tired of are Sanrio characters. This was a collaboration with KawaiiBox.com. If you go on their website and get yourself a subscription box, you can use the code JOYLYN5 and save some money. I'm super excited to see what's in this box. I got the October box. I believe you have to sign up in September in order to get this one. But I'm not gonna lie, the box itself is cute already. As soon as I saw it in the mail, I was shook. Here is the big reveal. I got a cute Kuromi plush. I love it so much. Kuromi is actually one of my favorite Sanrio characters, so I am incredibly happy with the character for this month. Behind the plush are all of these other cute goodies. I honestly did not know what to expect from this box, so what you see now is also my first impression of it. I got this little Kuromi coin pouch. She's also on the back, which is adorable. Then it came with some snacks. Look at this cute cinnamon roll packaging. I'm actually not sure what snack this is. It looks like crackers or biscuits. I think it will tell me later on. Then I got two of these. I think they're both chocolate flavored, but they have different packaging. I love how they have the characters as the packaging for everything. It's really cute. This is my personal favorite item from this box, is this Kuromi cup. It's so adorable in purple, and I just love the design on it. I also got another pouch, but this one is bigger, so you can use it for makeup or travel items. It has a Kuromi My Melody print. For the final two items, I got some hair clips and a cute little bag charm. At the very bottom of the box, you get a pamphlet that basically tells you everything you need to know about that month's box. Thank you again, Kawaii Box, for sending me my first ever subscription box. I loved it so much. And if you'd like to get yours today, be sure to use the code JOYLYN5 to save some money off of your subscription box. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And I hope to see you in my next video, besties.